Deleting products isn't too hard actually. We first of all need to add a method in our products provider file where we have add and update product. There we now need a delete product method, and of course it makes sense that we get the ID of the product, which should be deleted as an input. And then deleting here is really straightforward. We can reach out to our items, so to all the products we stored here, and call remove where to execute a function on every product there, and if it returns true, it's a product that should be removed. And of course we will return true if the ID of the product we're looking at in our list of products is equal to the ID we're getting here as an argument. In that case, this will be removed from the list, all other items will be kept, and of course we should call notify listeners to update all places the app that would care. Now we can call delete product from inside user products, from the user products screen. There we set up a listener to our products, and this should be a listener because I want to rebuild my list if products change. And with that here on the user product item, we can now get rid of a product. So in user product item here, when this trash button is clicked, I want to clear my product. And for that, we have actually two options. Either we receive a callback function, so a function which we store in a variable, which is passed in through the constructor, which we pass in therefore through this constructor here, and therefore we have the function for deleting the product in the user products screen. We could do that because we already have access to the products data through the provider here, so it would be super easy to call delete product here. But it's also not too hard to use a different approach, and in the user product item widget, we can of course also use the provider package. So use package provider Dart, and also get access to our products Dart file here. And then here on the delete button, we can use provider off, get access to products, forward the context, and then call delete product for the product ID, which we already have as a property in this widget, because we're already getting it as an argument. Now one important note, here of course I don't want to listen to changes, so I'll set listen to false here. I only use this place to dispatch this action. And with that, if we save this and do a full refresh and go back to our products, if I delete the yellow scarf, indeed it's gone. And it's still gone if I go to the shop and I go back, because I really removed it from my list of products. Now, of course, it's only temporarily gone. As soon as we restart the app, it's back because we're not saving our data on any server or anything like that. But this proves that this generally works. And with that, we have a setup where we are able to interact with user input. We're able to validate the user input, create new products, edit products, delete products, and also show some helpful messages. Like, for example, the messages we're showing here when we add something to the cart, where we can also undo this. Or if we have something in the cart and we want to delete this, where we can stop that. This hopefully are all things that are helpful to you in your next apps.